Imagine a man who commands respect without demanding it. A man whose presence alone shifts the room's energy. The kind of guy every woman silently admires, and most men secretly envy. This isn't about looks, wealth, or status. This is about something far deeper. It's about the qualities that make a man truly unforgettable. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on what makes that man, the man every woman respects. And trust me, most guys will never be him, because becoming that man isn't about trying harder. It's about becoming better, fundamentally, undeniably, irresistibly better. Section 1. The foundation of respect. Respect isn't handed out like candy. It's a prize earned through genuine character. The man women respect doesn't just talk about integrity, he lives it. That means he's honest, even when it's uncomfortable. He keeps his promises because he understands that trust is built brick by brick. He's authentic, doesn't put on a mask to impress others or hide his flaws. Instead, he owns who he is, flaws and all. This authenticity creates a magnetic aura because people sense sincerity. A man with a strong moral compass is predictable in his values, which makes others feel safe and drawn to him. He's confident without arrogance, secure enough to admit mistakes and learn from them. That humility isn't a weakness. It's a sign of strength that commands respect. When a man demonstrates consistency in his words and actions, women see him as someone dependable, someone who stands firm on his principles regardless of external pressures. 2. The power of self-control. Most guys chase immediate gratification, whether it's impulsive spending, reckless words, or emotional reactions. But the man women respect masters the art of restraint. Self-control isn't about suppressing feelings, it's about managing them wisely. When chaos erupts, say an argument or a stressful situation, he remains calm. His steady demeanor signals emotional stability, which women find incredibly attractive because, let's face it, life throws curveballs. The man who can handle setbacks with grace and patience shows resilience and inner strength that's impossible to fake. This self-control extends to daily habits, healthy choices, disciplined routines, and saying no when temptation calls. It's about making deliberate decisions that align with long-term goals, not fleeting pleasures. Women respect men who have the discipline to delay gratification because it proves he's in control of his destiny, not his impulses. 3. The man who leads without dominating. Leadership isn't about barking orders or wielding authority like a club. It's about inspiring trust through action and attitude. The man women respect is a natural leader, one who makes decisions confidently and takes responsibility for outcomes. He's decisive, not impulsive. He weighs options carefully but doesn't get paralyzed by overthinking. But leadership also requires humility, listening to others' perspectives, valuing their input, and being adaptable. Women respect leaders who are empathetic, who lift others up rather than suppress them for personal gain. This kind of leadership creates a sense of safety, knowing that he's capable and committed to guiding through challenges. Because true leaders empower those around them, not diminish them. They're the guy who steps up in tough times, stands tall in uncertainty, and guides with both strength and kindness. 4. The unshakable integrity. Integrity is the silent armor that shields a man's reputation. It's doing the right thing, even when no one is watching, because he values his character above fleeting gains. The man women respect is brutally honest, transparent, and consistent in his actions. He keeps his promises because he understands that his word is his bond. If he says he'll do something, he follows through. No excuses, no backtracking. This reliability creates a foundation of trust, making others naturally gravitate toward him. Women see through superficial charm and recognize authenticity quickly. They respect a man who operates from a place of genuine principles rather than manipulation. When his actions align with his values, he becomes a pillar of integrity, someone others can rely on, admire, and emulate. 5. The man who invests in growth. The most respected men are lifelong learners. They read books, seek new experiences, reflect on their actions, and constantly strive to improve. They understand that stagnation is the enemy of respect. This growth mindset fuels resilience. When faced with setbacks, they see opportunities to learn rather than reasons to quit. They're not afraid to admit they don't have all the answers but are eager to find them. Women respect men who show ambition, not just in their careers but in their personal development. Whether it's mastering a skill, maintaining physical health, or improving emotional intelligence, these men are always evolving. That dedication to self-improvement signals confidence and purpose, qualities that are irresistibly attractive. 6. The respect-worthy communication style. Communication isn't about dominating conversations or impressing others with clever lines. It's about clarity, authenticity, and respect. The man women respect speaks with purpose. He chooses his words carefully because he values others' time and feelings. He listens actively, paying attention, asking questions, and showing genuine interest. When he speaks, it's honest and direct, avoiding manipulation or mind games. This transparency fosters trust because people know where they stand. He also knows how to handle disagreements maturely by expressing his opinions calmly and respecting differing viewpoints. Women respect men who can communicate without resorting to insults, sarcasm, or passive-aggressive tactics, because true communication builds bridges, not barriers. 7. The man who's comfortable in his skin. Confidence isn't about arrogance, it's about self-acceptance. The man women respect is comfortable with who he is, his strengths and weaknesses alike. He doesn't need constant validation or approval from others. He's not insecure or needy. Instead, he exudes calm assurance. This confidence is rooted in self-awareness, knowing his worth, but not feeling the need to prove it constantly. He's okay with admitting mistakes, which makes him relatable and trustworthy. This inner contentment makes him magnetic. Women notice men who are genuine and don't pretend to be someone they're not. Authenticity is attractive because it creates a safe space for others to be themselves, which is the foundation of trust and respect. 8. The respectful man's treatment of others. Respect isn't a one-way street, it's a reflection of how a man treats everyone around him. The man women respect shows kindness, fairness, and dignity to all, friends, family, strangers, even colleagues. He recognizes that everyone is fighting their own battles and treats people with genuine regard, regardless of their status or appearance. This humility and empathy resonate deeply because it shows he values human connection over superficial gains. He doesn't manipulate or belittle others to elevate himself. Instead, he lifts others up, celebrates their successes, and offers genuine support. That kind of humility and kindness makes a man truly admirable, someone people want to follow and respect. 9. The man who shows appreciation. Respect isn't just about grand gestures, it's in the small acts of acknowledgement. The man women respect notices the effort others put in, whether it's a kind word, a helping hand, or a simple thank you. He understands that appreciation builds loyalty and trust. Genuine gratitude makes others feel valued and seen. Women respect men who are emotionally intelligent enough to recognize good in others and aren't afraid to express it. This attitude also signals confidence, because he doesn't need to tear others down to feel good about himself. Instead, he lifts others up, creating a positive atmosphere wherever he goes. That respect, born from appreciation, becomes contagious. 10. The respect-worthy man's vision. Finally, respect flows from purpose. The man with a vision is driven, not aimless or distracted. Whether it's building a career, nurturing a family, or pursuing personal passions, he's committed to growth and progress. This clarity of purpose exudes confidence. Women respect men who know what they want and won't settle for mediocrity. Because a man with a vision is a man who's actively shaping his future, someone who inspires others to do the same. His focus and dedication signal stability, an anchor in a turbulent world. When he's working towards something meaningful, others see his passion and authenticity. That unwavering commitment makes him stand out, because respect isn't just given, it's earned through relentless pursuit of greatness. So, what separates the man women respect from the guy most men aspire to be? It's not about shortcuts or tricks. It's about embodying integrity, self-control, leadership, authenticity, and purpose every single day. Remember, respect isn't given, it's earned. And the real question is, are you willing to do what it takes? Because the man every woman respects is a man who refuses to settle for mediocrity. If you want to be that man, start today, because respect isn't a destination, it's a journey, and the journey begins with you.